Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use BeReal on mobile. To use BeReal on mobile, first thing first, you have to download. So open up your respective app store, install BeReal and make sure to register as well. So I've already registered. Now then, what you need is once you're done creating your account registering, you could go ahead and add people or friends to your BeReal as well. And now you need to understand that BeReal is not like any other social media platform that can allow you to post each and every time. So it has a specific time frame, or it's gonna actually notify you when to be real and post it. And at the same time, you also need to understand that whenever you take a photo, it's gonna use both the camera, that is front and the back. So it's just gonna ask you to be real, and then it's gonna take the front and the back of the picture. Although it's just gonna take a photo and it's going to be uploaded directly. So if you want to take a photo, all you need is click on the camera at the bottom of the page, and then you will have, as you can see, I've reached my limit, so I cannot post it more than two. So I just need to click on the camera icon, and then I can go and take a photo, any photo that you like. And this is how it's actually gonna work. And then you could go to the chat section, add people and friends that you wish to, and this is how it actually works. So with that, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.